So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment cybersecurity and privacy week 4th assignment 4th. So the first question is DAS is the action taken by management to specify the intermediate goals and objectives of the organization in order to obtain specified strategies goals followed by estimates and schedules for the allocation of resources necessary to achieve those goals and objectives. So these are the option: tactical planning, strategic planning, operational planning, business continuity planning. So the answer of our first question is A, tactical planning. Now the second question is true or false. Strategy plans are used to create operational plans, which in turn are used to develop tactical plans. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our second question is false. Now, the third question is the action taken by senior management to develop and implement a combined disaster recovery DR and business continuity BC policy plan and set of recovery teams is known as. So these are the option: business assumption planning, business continuity planning, disaster recovery planning, incident response planning. So the answer of our third question is B, business continuity planning. Now, the fourth question is: Dash is an adverse event that could result in loss of an information assets or assets, but does not currently threaten the viability of the entire organization. So these are the option: disaster, phishing, incident, impact. So the answer of our fourth question is C, incident. Now the fifth question is contingency plan includes. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is D, incident response planning, disaster recovery planning, and business continuity planning. Now, the sixth question is: DAS is an investigation and assessment of adverse events that can affect the organization conducted as a preliminary phase of the contingency planning process. So, these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is D, business impact analysis. Now, the seventh question is: Dash is the total amount of time the system owner is willing to accept for a mission business process outage or disruption, including all impact considerations. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is C, maximum tolerable downtime. Now, the eighth question is: the presence of execution of unknown program or processes is a. So these are the option: possible incident indicator, Babel incident indicator, definite incident indicator, all of the above. So the answer of our eighth question is D, all the above. Now the ninth question is: an organization can choose from several cost-based strategies when planning to for business continuity. Dash is a facility that provide only basic services with no computer hardware or peripheral. So these are the option: hot sites, warm sites, cold sites, yellow sites. So the answer of our ninth question is C, cold sites. Now the tenth question is: which of the following statement accurately distinguish between a threat and an attack in cybersecurity? Select all that apply. More than one answer may be possible. So the answer of our tenth question is A, a threat is potential danger while an attack is an active action taken to exploit that danger. C, a actor often carries out an attack. And D, an attack success always depend on the existence of a vulnerability that the threat agent can exploit. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.